Friends, today we'll make sabudana aloo tikki with a cheese-filled center. We need 1.5 cup sabudana soaked for 6 to 8 hours drained, 2 to 3 boiled potatoes, 1 big onion finely chopped, half cup roasted and crushed peanuts, half bunch pudina leaves chopped, similarly dhania leaves chopped, 2 inches ginger finely cut, 4 to 5 garlic cloves crushed or cut, green chili paste or finely cut green chilies, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons saunf powder, 8 to 10 cheese cubes, salt to taste, and red chili powder, which is optional. Into a big bowl, transfer the soaked sabudana and potatoes as required, and mix in all the chopped ingredients, dhania and pudina leaves, crushed peanuts and all masalas. Keep wetting your fingers in between if the mixture gets too sticky. Mix all this very well into a fine paste. Taste the mixture before you start rolling out making the tikkis. With the help of water, make a proper tikki and put a piece of cube of cheese in the middle and then roll it out again. Put this on a pan, on a non-stick pan on low heat, and after a few minutes add a bit of oil to it. Cook both sides very well and transfer them onto a plate. For the chutney, you can make any chutney. I have made a chutney using pudina, the same ingredients, pudina, dhania and tomato leaves and crushed peanuts with all the masalas. So it is ready to serve your gluten-free and tasty cheese-filled sabudana tikki. Thank you.